I've started. There's Jim. Sakowitz elevators. Very vintage and beautiful.
I've already filmed these elevators. Who want to check out my video?
Yes.
I already have a video up on YouTube.
You said Stanwicks?
Sakowitz.
Okay.
Beautiful. I wonder if there used to be more, but they ripped them out and they kept these two.
Original indicator.
Yep, that's the original indicator right there.
Nice.
Go down. What floor would you like?
One.
Also, if you go down to the basement, I want you to listen to the mechanical chime.
Okay.
It's got an old original mechanical.
Let's switch sides. Well, we'll go back up to 5 and get off at B. Or you want to just get off here? Oh, where's the... We listen to the chime.
Just hit the button.
Oh,
That's so interesting.
that's nice.
Let's switch sides. Let's go back up to... Well, I guess we can get off at 5, or how do you want to do it?
We can get off. We can get off at 5.
Okay.
These elevators were modernized in 1998.
Nice. That's awesome.
Wow.
Just get off.
Installed. I forgot what year these were installed. Sometimes in the 50s.
Yeah.
Ooh, I have to look.
Definitely vintage. Oh yeah, look at that plate.
Let's watch these doors close.
All right, there it goes. And
That's it.